Bismillah Rahman Rahim. You are watching my channel Ramzan Travels. Today I will describe about the complete process of Turkey e-visa in just 5 minutes. So make sure you will watch complete video and follow all the steps. You will get Turkey e-visa in just 5 minutes. So on your screen you are watching some sample of the Turkey e-visa. Here I will tell you some important thing that if you have a nationality of like Pakistan, Afghanistan, India, Bangladesh, and with that you must have a travel document or residence permit of some Schengen countries and of UK, USA visa, and in that case you will be able to apply this visa. Otherwise you cannot get this e-visa directly. You have to consult your relevant embassy. Okay, so move ahead and then I will show on the screen that how we can apply this visa. First of all, you have to write Turkey visa in any browser. Some links will appear. You have to click the first link. I have pinned this link in the description and also in the comment box. Then you scroll down the page and you will see a red color button, apply now. After that you click apply now. Another window will appear. Now you have to click apply for an e-visa. On this home page you are seeing that the e-visa is ready in just simple 3 steps. You have to apply, then you have to make payment, and then you will download your visa. So at the top I will click apply now. Then there you have to select your visa type. There are 2 options, electronic visa and airport transit visa. I will select electronic visa. If you need Turkey transit visa, then you will select this option. Okay, then you will select your country. Either you are from there's a lot of countries available in the drop down menu. So I will select any national, like I will select if I am from Pakistan. Sorry, I will select my country. Let's suppose I select from Bangladesh. Okay, and now I will select the travel document type. You will see as per your case. I will select ordinary passport. Then I will write this security captcha. After writing the security verification, then you will click save and continue. Now you see very important information that arrival date in Turkey is 10th of the July, and you are seeing that this visa is basically starting from 10th of July and will end on 5 January 2027. So this means that this visa is valid for 6 months, but 180 days, and it only allows you a stay of 30 days. Okay, and there at the bottom you are seeing the visa fees is $48, and additionally you have to pay the service fees of 18 USD. And if you want to change this date, so you can select this button, and you can customize it as per your travel plan. If I am traveling from 25th of July, I can select this date. Now you see the calendar is also changed. Okay, then I click save and continue. There you see it's asking for some verification from us. I will check all the boxes that my passport covers the period that I will be staying in Turkey. I am traveling to the purpose of tourism or business, and I have a return ticket, and also I tick this box. Okay, these are, you have to tick all of these boxes, and then I will click save and continue. So in this performa, first of all you have to select this type of sporting document. What does it mean? It means either you have a visa or residence permit, and if I select a visa, then it's giving an option of visa of Ireland, Schengen, USA, and UK. And if I click residence permit, it also reset all my information, and there is lot of options. So if you have a residence permit of any of these countries, you can apply this e-visa, or if you have a visa of certain countries. So I will select residence permit, and then I will select residence permit of, let's suppose, Denmark. So first of all you have to put this information in this performer, then you can proceed ahead. So then I will quickly put this information. Now listen carefully that you have to write your first name as per your passport, then you have to write surname as per your passport, and then you have to select date of birth. You can write it by just putting a full stop between these date. You have to select the date, then you have to select the month, and then year. Okay, place of birth, as we are applying from Bangladesh, we are Bangladesh national, so I have written a Dhaka, that is temporary. Then you can left this mother name and father name, as this is not mandatory. Then you have to write your passport number, passport issue date, and passport expiry date. Remember, your passport should be valid for at least 6 months. Then type of sporting document, as I have already given explanation about this, so you have to select residence permit or visa, and then sporting document number. So as I have selected residence permit, so I will write down a dummy residence permit number. You have to write your the number of the residence permit. Sporting document expiry date, it's asking about the when your residence permit will expire. So I selected that I don't have I don't remember the expiry date, so you can check this box. Then you have to write your email address. Then you have to write your phone number. For email address, you have to write it very carefully because it will send some verification on your email address. I will write it some dummy email address. And then you have to select your phone number, and then it's asking about your address. So then at the bottom you have to click I have read and accept this terms and condition. So you can read it, and then just simply cross this button at the bottom. I will cross it, and then you will click save and continue. So okay, there's the verification page. You can verify your information here, and after you click verify, it will not be editable. So if you want to edit some information, you have to click edit. So I'm not going to edit anything. I will just proceed with verify. There you see the website is saying that your application has been successfully completed, and then you have to confirm this from your email. Now we will move towards our email. You have to approve your visa from your email address. When you approve it, then you have to make a $65 payment, and then after instantly paying the payment, you can download your e-visa.